Hey yo, what's going on guys, it's MC Gamer here and I'm back with a brand new video where today guys, I am playing on PUBG, or basically, better known, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. This is basically another version of Fortnite, but a lot of people say that Fortnite's better, but I've never played Fortnite. I watch a lot of YouTubers play it, but, you know, I just want to see what this is like, so I think we should get straight into this. Come on. There we go. So if you basically what you do is you're a player and you run around scavenging guns, weapons, health packs and everything. You've got to be the last person to survive. So you've got to kill people. I leveled up. Killed in the last round. Yeah, I leveled up to level 10. Sorry about that. Don't know what happened there. So you can either do squad, duo, or team. Squad, duo, or solo, sorry. And I think I'm just gonna do it solo. What have I got? Oh yeah man, I got a load of these. Very nice. God, I'm getting loads of these. Nice. So I think we should get into this. So, let's see how we're gonna do them. First you get put into a lobby. But there is bad thing about this, the play area gets minimized, so there's a massive blue circle and basically if you're outside that blue circle you start to die. If you're inside then you're still alive, but you've got to make it like right in the middle. Oh, got that in the floor. What? Oh, there we go. Wondering what happened there. So I'll show you how big the island is. Yeah, that is literally how big we are. And we are starting. Wait. What's that? We start on. We get on the plane, we parachute onto the island. If you play Fortnite, then it's basically, you know what I mean. But you'll see, on this game, I've only just downloaded this recently. And to be honest, I'm actually really enjoying it. Like, I love the game. So, here we go. There's 100 players, and you've got to narrow it down to 1. I have won once, and it is really hard to survive. Right, we've got to see which way we're coming in. Right, okay, we're heading towards the quarry and the ferry here. So, I think I'm going to start from the edge and work my way up. So, when it says jump, I'm going to jump out and run down that village. Go! Woohoo! Are there any more people jumping out? Yeah, so oh no. Right. Looks like we're going to be up against someone here. So I've got one here that's taking our up. Come on. Nailed it. It is a bit laggy, unfortunately, but yeah, I'll be fine. Right, that guy's over there. So we need to scavenge for a weapon quickly, and if he comes near us, then we might have a chance against him. So let's go. Let's go have a look in this house. Close the door. What we got? Oh. So I was on about guns, and it looks like I've just got a pistol. Pretty nice. 2 pistols actually. 2 of the same guns. Not a very good start, but you know, be fine. A smoke grenade. Let's go have a look in a couple more houses. Let's go have a look in this big one. It's a very tall one. I thought I had another player then. Right, what have we got here? Oh, nice. Very nice. Already started off with a level 2 police vest, so that means that when we get shot, it won't hurt as much. Nice. Now I've got level 2. Why would I need level 1? Oh yeah, now we're talking, boys. Oops. I've got sing. I'll stick with burst. I did use a couple. Right. We're alright for now, but I want to look for a melee weapon. So I'll see if there's any in this house. Close the door. Don't want anyone getting in. Oh, got the backpack, eh? Why did I just do a Scottish accent? That was a bit rubbish. Sorry about that. I like Scotland. Listen in the comments if you are from Scotland, and I hope I didn't, you know, hope I didn't take the mick out of you. I like Scotland. I don't mind Scotland. Scotland is one of my favourite places to go. Close the bloody door. Ew. Freezing. Come on. So I'm just checking my battery percentage because my phone's on charge. Close. Anything on here? Oh nice, we've got some pants. And nah, I've already got one of that. Oh, what have we got already? Oh yeah man. Where are these? Same thing. Oh, they are. No, no. I think some guy just tried shooting at us. I need a different gun. Wait, what guns have I got? That's the same chuffing gun. God's sake. Oh, this is not going well. This is not going well at all. Let's find where this guy is and see what he's got. See if he's oh yes, we got the Scar boy. Nothing, yes, fam. The Scar is a beast gun. I'll tell you that now. It is beast. Scar is actually a really good gun. Oh, military helmet. Wait, please don't tell me they use the same. Sorry, I was just being quiet to see if. No, 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 no. Close, 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 close. Come on, man. No! Why? Why? Damn it! No! Oh, I got a grade B. Whoopie doo. Oh, it was that guy who landed as well, I think. Oh well. Well, you know what? You know, I'm not gonna stand for that. Let's do this. I need to get rid of. Sorry. Oh, I can't believe that is annoying. That is annoying. I also recently got a drone and it had a camera on it, so I'm thinking about recording with that, but the only bad thing is when I record with it, it has no sound, so I'm not sure whether to use it or not in a video. I'm thinking about it, but the bad side is that it just has no sound, so you won't be able to hear me or anything. So I'm not sure, but I don't know, but I'm thinking about doing it. Sorry, just humming a tune I got in my head earlier. And this is another part of the map. I don't know what this is. It's some like facility or something. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh, I want to land that thing. Oh, I didn't spot how. So I might get off at the. Right, I know what I'm heading. I'm heading for that village on the corner over there. Yeah. Oh my god, my voice just cracked. That is. Oh, that's embarrassing. Jump. Right, I'm heading towards over there. Now, good thing is, hopefully if there are boats, then I could use a boat to get around the island, but I'm hoping there are cars. Well, there are a few vehicles around here. Hopefully I'll survive longer this time. I can't believe that happened. That's annoying. Right, let's go. God, we're going Mission Impossible style. Right, there are a few barns, but I'm gonna go into the houses. Oh, speaking of cars, yeah man. Chuffing, yes fam. Well, we've already got ourselves a vehicle, alright, okay, we'll use that and hopefully nobody's around. Alright then. Looks like this car's ours. So let's get in. It's a bit of a scrap car this, isn't it? Alright. Keep the car out there. Have a look around. Oh wow. God, we've got ourselves a gun. It's always good. Got ourselves a starter pistol. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got a backpack. Oh, Scar. Oh yeah, boys, we've got ourselves a Scar already. Don't let me down this time, Scar. Don't let me down. Oh yeah, God, that's right. You know what? It's that too bad actually. You know, although I do need a bit more ammo for my shotgun. Let's see what we've got on the roof. No, not really. Been good. Love that vertical grip. So I think we should go around the town or the village or whatever it is. Aha! Right, let's have a look. I think I need to have a, I want to go in nearly all of them, so I'll look at this one. That's crowbar. Alright, nice. Four of those. So I've got a, well, just gas can, but basically like, if you're running out of gas in the vehicle, just refill it. What else we got? Very nice. Alright. God, I'm actually, you know what, this has actually been a good start. You know, but it would be good if I could get a machete. Oh, I thought I had someone coming then. No, that's fine. I just prefer machetes. I don't know why, but I never really used them. But oh yes, get some punk glasses, yeah man. Got myself some punk glasses. Ooh, mini 14. I've had that gun before and it's not bad. How much ammo has it got? Now I'm taking shotgun. I'm taking the shotgun. Because I just feel like the shotgun will be more powerful. Plus, the Scar and the Mini 14 share the same ammo, so if I'm using one gun, it'll run down ammo on the other gun. I've only got the punk glasses. No! 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 Yes! First kill. Right, I've got painkiller. Got some more ammo for the Scar, I think. Some work boots. Right, I'm okay. I need some painkillers. Oh, for fuck's sake. I thought no one was around. I need some bandages and everything. Let's get in a sick car, man. Not fast, but it'll do. Now I have the feeling there'll be more people around here. I feel like I'm gonna die, but I don't want to. Maybe got some pants. Check one of them. Oh, the vet! Vector now. The Vector is a good gun. Oh, now it's got some bandages, some more painkillers. Nothing of good use, nothing good. I don't know whether to get the Vector or not. I'm swapping it for shotgun. Yeah, I'm sorry, but... Is that it? Is that all it takes? 13, but... it's better than the... Alright, so what we got going? Let's put... No, drop that. Don't need that, because it's for snipers. Drop 25. Drop all them. 9mm is gonna stay. Drop that. Right, let's go. Me, I'll just say someone. I don't know, but I haven't started yet. Oh yes. Get them painkillers. I have a feeling that someone's already been here. That. Definitely the bandages. Nah, it's good. These are good. I want a machete. I don't know why, but I just want a machete. See, I've never really used a melee weapon before. Need my car. Someone nicked my car! No, they aren't. Oh, God, right. Right, we need to start moving that. Let's go. You know, I'm gonna head to that school because I've been to the school before. It was the death bubble. I don't know what to call it. The death circle. I'm just gonna call it the death circle. It was really close, and the school was the best place for me. And there's only about 5 people left, but unfortunately I did die. So we're gonna head for the school. You can run people over in this as well, so it's pretty much a bonus. I've got a cramp in my foot. I built it. I'm shooting. Oh, we're far away from the death circle. Oh, what is this? That's warehouse. Warehouses are useless. Honestly, useless. Right, we're nearly at the school. If there are any people, we're gonna have to take them out, but it'll be fine. Plus, this is good for when you're a duo, because when you're on the back seat, I think you can shoot. I'm not sure. I always go solo. I just prefer solo. I'll be honest with you. School's just up ahead. This isn't the school. This is just a random house. I'll have a look, see if it can find anything good. Look at your bloody sneakers. No, I prefer No, someone's been here. No! No, 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 no. Go! Gotcha. What now? Has it been blown up yet? On it fast. This way, have to go around. Let's go see what the guy dropped. Fuck it. Has it gone? No, it's there. Alright, let's have a look. Nothing of use. Absolute nothing. Okay, someone's shooting. I have the feeling they were shooting at me. Oh, he's over there. Be fine. School's over there. No, I need. Nah, take the school. It's too close. I need to go. Let's go past the school. I think it'd be better if we go past the school. God, 22 minutes I've been playing this. Come here, you. I don't know why, but I didn't find it funny when you run people over. Nice. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, I'm definitely taking this now. Yeah, that's much better. Right then. Keep going, just keep going. Another cow then. Hello. Okay. I don't really beat the horn because I know it'll attract other people. So, ooh, nice fight. Fight's better. That's good. Yes, got him. Trophy now, I wasn't expecting that. Oh god, I just killed 2 people. I need all the. Whoa! Everything he's got, I need. Oh, I need to get rid of some stuff. That can drop. That can drop. No, I'll just drop it all. That can drop. God, I was not expecting all of that. God. Whew. First I nearly got run over. And another person shoot. Fuck. Oh, I need to take the first aid kit. That's better. You know what? I'll have a drink. That's better. Right. keep going, shall we? Get run over. There we go. 28 of us left. 28, God. Right, I need to be in this way now. You know what, I'm gonna go to that mountain and I'm gonna camp there. Oh no. Oh, good. It's all good. But no, I need to be heading this way. What am I doing? I need to be heading real against Rosehock. Rosehock, oh whatever, freaking how you say it. Oh no! Nailed it. God, I need quite a bit of gas. Right, how many? I've got 2 of them. 2 will do. Right, these are the ruins. Never been to the ruins before, actually. Never really been. Ow. So let's have a look. Can I... Oh, you can shoot. Yo, that's actually pretty good. I feel like I'm safe here for a bit. I don't know. You know what? I know where I'm gonna go. Right, an island, and I'm gonna go there. So yeah, I'm gonna head towards this island. I hear shooting. Basically, got a camp there. Lovely. Oh no. Well. I am pretty safe. What is this? What? Oh wait, this is the island. Oh, this is. Huh? Oh no 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 no. Get a quick scope over there. Ain't really. No, there ain't really anyone. I feel like I'm safe here for a bit. Because I'm technically right in the middle. But yeah, I am right in the middle. You know what? I have a chance of surviving. Surely good. God, there's only 18 left of us. 18 of us left. God. Yo, what's that? Like a... Well, have I got a better scope on this? No, it's just a red dot. You know what? I could end up winning this. Could. If I win this on camera, I will actually be really happy. I'm not joking. No. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Oh, as if that person did not even see me. I just lay down, you know. Got a gun out just in case anyone tries. Plus I got a pan, and apparently this thing can block bullets. Now, I'm not saying it can, but apparently it can. It says. God knows. Oh, it's 16 of us left, fam. 30 minutes I've been recording. That's insane. There's an airdrop. Oh no, wait, I just realised I'm not safe. Oh no, 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 no. Thought I was safe, but I'm not. I need a car. Oh no. Boat. Oh no, that's not gonna do anything. Nah, guys, I'm dead. I'm dead. Where's it stopped? Oh, it stopped, that's good. Oh no, I don't want to exit the game. If I can find a car, I will be happy as hell. I thought I was safe, but I thought it was in the middle, but I have a minute 30. Look at me hit the frying pan. Oh, 12 of us left. Come on. Why are loads of people running people over? Well, I can't say anything, but you know. 10. Last time, like, there was only the 2 of us left, and he was in a car and he was about to run me over, but I shot him. Got him. No. No, 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 no. You're not killing me now. No. Where is this guy? I'm legging it. Oh, I'm gonna die. Come on. Got him. No! I was 8th. Why? No, I didn't see him coming. Oh, guys. Right. I can't believe that. Can't believe that. Anyway, guys, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to end the video here. And if you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to smash that like button, guys. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I'll be greatly appreciated. Please don't forget to press that little bell button, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. It's as simple as that. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.